Hello everyone, today we will learn how to do SHA-256 of a file, and for that first of all we create a folder. Let us name it SHA, and then we will open this folder, and right now it is empty. So first of all we will create a file, and we will type here something like hello world, and we will save it. So we will save it to the show file.rdf, to the show folder only, and now this file has been saved as show file rtf, and now we want to create a hash of this file. So what we will do, first of all we will open terminal at this folder, and when we have opened the terminal as this folder, we will see if the file is there, and we see that yes, the file is there in this folder. Now we will use the command to compute the SHA. The command is SHA, and if we just write it like this, rtf, then it is not giving us the output because the command is not SHA, it is SHA sum. And if we write rtf, now it has given us the SHA-1 of this file. There are various versions of this SHA algorithm, and if we want to use different version, we can use SHA sum A, and here we can use the 256 version of this file. So this is 256-bit SHA. These algorithms are built different. This is SHA-256. Now if we want to use 512 variant, we can use it like this. Sorry, I put an extra M over here, and this is the 512-bit SHA of this file. And now we will store this SHA and its output into a file. So how we will do this? SHA sum A512 SHA file RTF, and we will output it to a file which we name as SHA512. Okay, so it has output the SHA and the file name to this check.SHA512. We can see that they both are lying in here only, and now we want to check if it is the SHA is correct or not. So what we will do, we will compute the SHA of this, and we will check it with this file. And what it is saying that this is okay. It means that wait, there is some problem, right? We have used SHA file .rtf. I think we do not need to use the SHA file.rtf command. We can check it without this also. What we will do, we will remove this SHA file.rtf, and we will just check it. Yes, now it is working fine. So it has given us that the hash of this file is okay. Now we will do one more thing. We will go to our text file, and we will now change something in it. Let us change it to the small letter hello world, and let us now run this command and check if it is coming right or not. And now it has given us a warning that this checksum did not match. Now why it did not match? Because we have changed one of the values, and we can see that how it is working in behind. If we open this folder SHA-256 and we open this file in the text edit, so this file is nothing but there is the hash, and then there are two spaces, and then there is the name of the file. So what we have done, we have just written the hash of the file and name of the file here. So if we run this command, we can easily check if there are any modifications to the file or not. In this way, you can create a checksum value for your file, or you can also use it for your messages. Okay, if you want to write some message to your friend and you want that your friend can check whether this message has been alterated or not, we can use this checksum lines. And as I told you, there are various variants of SHA, like 1, 256 and all of them. Similarly, you can use one more algorithm, MD5. So if you use MD5 SHA file.rdf, it will create the MD5 hash of this file. So this was a earlier hashing algorithm, but currently SHA-256 or SHA-5 and 2 is being used to calculate the hash and publicly give it in the website.